Good day, everyone. As an entrepreneur, understanding competition is very important in building a successful business. Today, I will discuss the competitive position of Jollibee versus McDonald's, two of the biggest fast food companies in the Philippines. Based on five key factors, which is cost, product quality, knowledge of customers, technological capability, and the ability and skills of their people. When it comes to cost, both Jollibee and McDonald's offer affordable meals. However, Jollibee has a slight advantage. Studies show that Jollibee often offer cheaper value meals compared to McDonald's, sometimes even lower by a few pesos. As an entrepreneur, this strategy is effective because it targets price-sensitive customers, especially students and families. Jollibee's values meal and rice-based option give customer a feeling of more for less, which strengthens customer loyalty. Meanwhile, McDonald's competes through promos and app-based discounts, making it competitive but slightly less consistent in base pricing. So in terms of product quality, both brands are strong, but they focus on different strengths. Jollibee is known for its localized taste, such as sweeter spaghetti and flavorful fried chicken, which Filipinos love. This market their food more emotionally appealing. On the other hand, McDonald's focuses on global consistency and standardization, meaning you get the same taste and quality anywhere in the world. Some studies and feedbacks show that Jollibee is often preferred in taste locally, while McDonald's is preferred for cleanliness and consistency. So for the knowledge of customers, this is where Jollibee has a major competitive advantage. Jollibee deeply understands Filipino culture. Their menu includes rice meals, family bundles, and flavor designed specially for Filipino preferences. Their branding also connects emotionally with customers, focusing on family, joy, and Filipino pride. McDonald's, being a global company, uses a standardized approach, although it adapts slightly to local markets. So, in terms of technology, McDonald's has the advantage. McDonald's uses advanced systems such as self-order kiosk, mobile apps with rewards and discounts, efficient and global operation systems. These innovations improve speed and customer convenience. Jollibee is improving, but McDonald's is still ahead in terms of digital transformation and automation. So, lastly, ability and skills of people. Both company invest in training, but they differ in focus. Jollibee employees are known for being warm, friendly, and customer-oriented, reflecting Filipino hospitality. McDonald's staffs are trained for efficiency, speed, and system-based service. So in conclusion, Jollibee and McDonald's both have strong competitive positions, but their strategy differ. Jollibee leads in cost, customer understanding, and emotional connection. McDonald's leads in technology, efficiency, and global consistency. As an entrepreneur, success depends on knowing your market and building your strategy around your strengths. Thank you.